Hey guys, I'm sure you must have gone through all the earlier videos. Past 11 days, we have been discussing about the various factors of our law of attraction. Why law of attraction works, what are the various factors, and why it doesn't work. That also we have tried to understand. So today, at the final day of the course, I would request all of you to go through all the videos once again. Also, go through the questions which today morning I have shared with each one of you. Those 36 questions play an important role in the life. Today we'll be discussing a very important law which is law of receiving. Law of receiving is completely dependent upon all those 36 questions which I have shared with you. Please go through all the questions again. Try to understand what exactly each and every question means. It will help you to understand what has stopped you from achieving certain things till date. It will also help you to understand how to shift your life. If you go through those questions and try to correlate all the 11 laws which we have studied till date, I am sure you will find all the answers for all your courses. All the questions, all those 36 questions will be an honest blueprint for your future. If you try to study all the laws again, if you go through them again and again, maybe in few days practice, you will be able to master each and every law and you will be able to reframe your entire life. You can conceive whatever you perceive. Your subconscious mind has a power to make it happen. If it perceives certain positive thing, it will help you to conceive the positive output. If you perceive certain negative emotions, it will give you a negative output. So it is important that what you are holding on. If you're holding on, even when we say money, if you're holding on the money, do you think that money will multiply? No. But if you invest the money at the right place, you will see that money is multiplying. If you are investing your time on the relationship, a healthy relationship for making it more and more better, you will see that your relationships are growing much better. If you give time for your health, you will receive a better health. So law of receiving always states that first you have to give. You just can't expect everything from the universe. You can't expect everything from the people. You can't expect everything from the surrounding. You have to be into the giving mode. Unless and until you give certain things, you can't expect. Plus, it is also important to give out reason being you should be able to make the room for new opportunities, for the new positive things which are coming in the life. If you want to make a room for new things, there are certain things which you really need to give out. It can be your old habits, it can be your old belief systems, it can be anything which is not required. So try to analyze what things need to be given out. Whenever we see, suppose if there is a clutter in the house, if you're holding on the clutter, it will not allow you to get the new things in the house. It will not allow the prosperity to enter in the inside your house. If you're holding on the things which are having emotions, no matter how deep those emotions are, but if those things are being holded over for a long time, at times they create negative emotions. So it is always important to take a timely audit for all the things which you are holding on, whether it is a materialistic thing, whether it is an emotional thing. And if those things are not satisfying your present requirement, please give them off so that you are able to receive the new things. Else, you will block the passage, you will block the way for the new things to come to you. So be into the giving mode so that you see that new things you are able to receive. Unless and until you clear the clutter, you won't be able to see new things coming. Or else even the new things which are coming will be again forming a clutter. So be into the giving mode and see how beautiful your life becomes. So with this, today we will be ending our course for Law of Attraction. I sincerely wish all of you a very healthy future a very healthy life. I wish you have all the prosperity in the life. I wish all your family members always remain happy. I wish them a very prosperous life. I wish you achieve all the success in the life and you see that you are able to make your dreams true. Again, I would request, please go through all the videos. Also, if you liked the course, if you are seeing any changes in your life, please share this message to your friends so that they can also join the course and see the benefit in their life. Again, I am sincerely thanking you all for joining this wonderful course. I hope I have added value in your life. Thanks for providing me the opportunity. Thanks to universe for allowing me to explain certain things which can make a difference in your life. With this, I am saying yes, you have been a wonderful audience, you have been a wonderful student. Also, I am sharing you few questions which you can term as exam, based on which, based on their submission, of course, you will also receive a certificate for completion of this course. So I request all of you to please go through the entire course. Any queries, you can post me in next 2 days. I'm always there for you. Thank you, friends.